Hey everyone, Casey here. Today, we're diving into something crucial, the ultimate EDC survival kit. That's right, we're talking about the stuff you carry every single day, the things that could save your ass in a pinch, or at least make your day a little smoother. Now, I'm not talking about packing a bug-out bag here. This is about the essentials you can fit in your pockets, the stuff you barely even notice until you need it. We're gonna break down the must-haves, the nice-to-haves, and maybe even a few things you never thought of before. So, whether you're an urban explorer, a weekend warrior, or just someone who likes to be prepared, stick around. Let's see what's in your pocket. Alright, let's kick things off with the big kahuna, the item no EDC kit is complete without, the trusty pocket knife. Now, I'm not talking about some Rambo-style machete here, just a simple, legal-length blade that can handle everyday tasks. Think about it. Opening packages, cutting rope, stripping wires, even defending yourself in a pinch. A good pocket knife is like having an extra set of hands, always there when you need them. I've been carrying a knife since I was a kid, and let me tell you, it's gotten me out of more jams than I can count. From fixing a busted bike chain to cutting my sandwich in half when I forgot a knife, don't judge. A reliable blade is a lifesaver. Now, when choosing a knife, you gotta consider size, blade, shape, and locking mechanism. You want something comfortable to carry, versatile enough for different tasks, and most importantly, safe to use. There are tons of great options out there, from classic Swiss Army knives to sleek, modern designs. Do your research, find one that fits your budget and lifestyle, and don't leave home without it. Seriously, a pocket knife is like that friend who always has your back, even when you forget to ask. Don't be caught without one. Alright, let's get real for a second. The world can be an unpredictable place. You never know what situations you might find yourself in, and sometimes having a way to protect yourself is non-negotiable. That's where pepper spray comes in. Look, I'm not advocating for violence, and hopefully you'll never have to use it, but having that extra layer of protection, especially if you're walking alone at night or in unfamiliar areas, can provide serious peace of mind. Pepper spray is a non-lethal way to deter an attacker, giving you precious time to escape and get help. It's legal in most places, relatively inexpensive, and easy to carry on a keychain or in your pocket. Now, before you even think about carrying pepper spray, make sure you know how to use it properly. Practice drawing it quickly, aiming for the eyes, and getting away safely. There are tons of resources online and even classes you can take. Remember, personal safety is paramount. It's not about being paranoid. It's about being prepared. Having pepper spray on hand is just another tool in your arsenal, giving you that extra bit of confidence to navigate whatever life throws your way. Alright, let's talk about efficiency, because when it comes to EDC, being resourceful is key. That's where the multi-tool swoops in like a Swiss Army knife on steroids. This bad boy is like a toolbox condensed into your pocket, ready to tackle any task that comes your way. We're talking pliers, screwdrivers, wire cutters, bottle openers, even a saw in some cases. It's like having a whole handyman crew at your fingertips, ready to assemble furniture, fix a loose screw, or open that stubborn jar of pickles. Seriously, I can't tell you how many times a multi-tool has saved the day. Whether I'm on a shoot, tinkering in my workshop, or just need to tighten a screw on the go, it's my go-to gadget. Now, like any good tool, you want to invest in quality. Look for a multi-tool made from durable materials with a solid locking mechanism and comfortable grip. Trust me, once you experience the versatility and convenience of a multi-tool, you'll wonder how you ever lived without one. It's the ultimate problem solver, always ready to MacGyver your way out of any situation. Alright, let's talk about a scenario we've all experienced. Fumbling around in the dark, trying to find your keys, or navigate a dimly lit street. Not exactly the most fun experience, right? That's where a trusty flashlight comes in, because let's face it, our phones dying at the worst possible moment is practically a law of nature. But a dedicated flashlight? That's a game changer. We're not talking about some bulky old school mag light here, though those have their place. Think compact, powerful LEDs that can fit comfortably in your pocket or on your keychain. These little guys pack a serious punch, illuminating even the darkest corners with ease. Whether you're navigating a power outage, searching for something under the couch, or signaling for help in an emergency, a reliable flashlight is an absolute must-have. And the best part, many EDC flashlights are rechargeable, so you can ditch those disposable batteries and be kinder to the environment. Plus, they often come with different brightness settings and even strobe functions for added versatility. So, don't get caught in the dark. Invest in a quality EDC flashlight and always be prepared to shine a light on whatever situation life throws your way. Alright, we've covered the essentials, the tools that can help you tackle everyday challenges and stay safe. But an EDC kit isn't just about practicality, it's also about personalization. It's about carrying a piece of yourself, something that brings you comfort, inspiration, or reminds you of what matters most. For some, it might be a lucky coin, a small photo of loved ones, a meaningful quote on a keychain, or even a piece of sea glass that reminds them of a special place. For me, it's this worn-out guitar pick I've carried for years. It belonged to a musician I admire, and holding it reminds me to pursue my passions and never stop creating. These small, seemingly insignificant objects hold immense personal value. They ground us, connect us to something bigger than ourselves, and add a touch of humanity to our everyday carry. So, think about what you hold dear, what brings you joy or strength, and consider adding it to your EDC kit. It doesn't have to be fancy or expensive, just something that speaks to your soul, because at the end of the day, the ultimate EDC survival kit is about more than just tools and gadgets. It's about carrying the things that help us thrive, both practically and personally. So, what do you think? Did we miss anything? Let us know in the comments below what you carry in your everyday carry kit. We're always down to hear about your essential gear and personal mementos. Remember, building the ultimate EDC survival kit is a journey, not a destination. It's about finding what works best for you, your lifestyle, and the challenges you face. And hey, while you're at it, don't forget to like and subscribe for more awesome content just like this. We're all about exploring the world, pushing boundaries, and sharing the tools and inspiration to help you do the same. Keep creating, stay curious, and we'll see you in the next one.